Alright, what's happening, folks? Well, today I had every intention of starting a new knife. I was going to be making the one for the American Joe show. Unfortunately, my wife sent me a big honeydew list via text message while I was at work. So, I figure I'll just go ahead and shoot some footage of that because I really feel like making a video, but don't have time to make a knife. So, here we go. So the wife is saying that my beard is a little bit too fluffy right now, so she wants to straighten it. So I'm gonna let her do that, and then yeah, whatever else she wants, I guess. I'm working for her right now. Alright, so the next thing on the list of stuff to do tonight, other than making knives, is taking the family shopping. I guess we've got to get some stuff from Academy Sports. So, yeah, let's go do that. Say hi, guys. Alright, well, we have arrived at Academy Sports and Outdoors. We're going to go in here and probably spend all of my money because she's in charge of it. So, here we go. So I was like this close to buying a new gun, but they wouldn't price match. So I ended up walking away, which was probably the smarter choice. I've got plenty of guns, but I wanted it. It was a tourist judge. I'll still get one somewhere else. All right, so apparently we're getting a new tent. That'll be cool.
That'd be cool. USA.
Alright, well, that's about it for Academy Sports for tonight. We got a new tent, and I almost bought a new gun. Glad I didn't. I think I can find it cheaper somewhere else. It was a tourist judge, so kind of wanted one of those for a little bit, but haven't gotten around to doing it, and they had one sitting there, and yeah. And beyond that, I think that that's probably going to wrap it up for this video. So tomorrow I plan on starting on working on Joe's knife, get that thing going, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys have a good night, all right?